Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14, and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have already completed the two previous year question paper of grade 5. Today we will start the previous year question paper 2021 set AA for grade 5. So let's start the question number 1. Which one of the following is the sum of smallest natural number, the smallest whole number and the smallest prime number? The smallest natural number is 1, smallest whole number is 0 and the smallest prime number is 2. So 1 plus 0 plus 2 should be the answer. It is in the option number C. The first answer will be option C. Question number 2. The smallest 6-digit number that can be formed by using these digits. So since 0 is present as a digit, so we cannot write a 0 in the extreme left side, because if we write the 0 in the extreme left side, it means number will be of 5-digit number. So that's why 0 will be at the second place, and now we can just arrange the digits in the ascending order. It will be your 1, 0, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the 6-digit formed, 6-digit smallest number formed. Okay, it is in the option number B. So second answer will be option B. Question number 3. The Roman numeral difference of CM minus CD is equal to, CM means 1000 minus 100, that is your 900, and CD means 500 minus 100, that is your 400. So this will be your 500 in the option number D. The third answer is option D. Question number 4. If 180 is the third common multiple of 15 and dash, then the smallest possible number of star will be. The third common multiple means 3 multiplied by 15 multiplied by star equal to 180. So star will be equal to 180 divided by 3 multiplied by 15. So 3 6s are 18, 60, 15 4s are 60. The star should be 4. It is in the option number D. The fourth answer will be option D. Question number 5. The value of the given expression is. So first we will divide. Okay? So 16 plus 12 multiply by 18 upon 72. I am writing division as the fraction minus 6. 18 4s are and 4 3s are. So 16 plus 3 minus 6. 19, 19 minus 6, 13. It is in the option number C. The fifth answer will be option C. Question number 6. What percent of the whole figure is shaded? So we can see how many triangles are there. There 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are there. Okay. And if we just put this colored or shaded circle here, so one triangle will be completely shaded. So we can just write 1 by 4 as the fraction. And how can we calculate the percentage? Multiply by 100. So 4 25s are 100 to 25%. Available in the option number B. The sixth answer will be option B. Question number 7. In this multiplication, the missing 10th place digit A will be. So 8 multiplied by what? Equal to 288. So just do it like this. 2.88 divide by 1.8. So you will get 2.88 divided by 1.8, you will get 1.6. So A should be 6. ठीक है, option B. The seventh answer will be option B. Question number 8. What fraction should be added to the fraction represented by the shaded part of the given figure to make the sum equal to 1? ठीक है, to make the sum equal to 1. So it means 1 minus, how many parts are shaded now? So 1, 2, and this part will make 1 square, 3, and this part will make 1 square. So 4. 4 upon how many equal parts are there? So we are taking equal parts as the square. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 will make 5. This 2 will make 6. This 2 will make 7. This 2 will make 8. So 4 by 8. So 8 by 8 minus 4 by 8 equal to 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 1 by 2. It is in the option number C. So eighth answer is option C. Question number 9. 1.12 divided by x equal to this and y divided by this equal to this, then find the ratio. First find the value of x. So 1.12 upon x equal to 0.56. This implies x equal to 1.12 upon 0.56. Decimal go away. 56 twos are x equal to 2 and y divide by 5 equal to 0.60. This implies y equal to 5 multiplied by 0.6 equal to 3. So x is to y equal to 2 is to 3. It is in the option number C. So ninth answer will be option C. Question number 10. If 25% of a number x is same as 75% of the another number y, then the ratio of y is to x is 25% of a number x. So x multiply by 25 upon x. ठीक है, तो 25 fours are, so this is your x by 4. 75% of another number y. So 75 by 100, y by 1. So 5, 25 threes are, 25 fours are. This is your 3y by 4. We have to just find y is to x. So then the ratio of y is to x and both are same. So we can just write, it is 4y. So we can just write x by 4 equal to 3y by 4. ठीक है, 3y by 4. I'm just writing y. ठीक है, 4. So this implies 4 cancel out. So y is to x equal to 1 is to 3. It is in the option number C. So 10th answer will be option C. Okay. Now for the next 20 questions, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.